How to get lower CPCs or cost per click on LinkedIn ads. When you are setting up your bids on LinkedIn, I would always recommend to use the manual CPC bidding option and not go with the automated delivery option or bidding by impressions, unless and until you are using a brand awareness as campaign objective. So if you are using website visits or lead generation or any other sort of campaign objective, use the manual CPC bidding option. Also, when setting up the bids, LinkedIn would give you a range as to what other advertisers are bidding. So I would say to disregard that recommendation. Always start on the lower end of that recommendation and see if you're able to spend your budget for the day or not with that kind of bid. If not, slightly increase your bids. If yes, slightly decrease your bids. Find a sweet spot where you're just able to spend your total budget for the day, so your campaign runs throughout the day. So in a nutshell, always start with the manual CPC bidding option. Disregard LinkedIn recommendations of suggested bids. Start on a lower end. See if you're able to spend the budget, day or daily budget or not. If not, slightly increase your bids. If you are, slightly decrease your bids till you find a sweet spot where you are just able to spend your total daily budget for the day and your campaigns keep running throughout the day. Thanks so much.